Apple just sent me something they've never released before. This is the brand new MacBook Pro 5 with the M5 chip, and I'm about to give you the first cinematic unboxing in 4K. Look at this packaging. The seal is perfect. As I peel away this plastic wrap, you can already feel the premium quality. Lifting the lid slowly reveals that iconic Apple design. But this time it's different. The new MacBook Pro 5 features breakthrough M5 chip technology with 10-core CPU and GPU. Removing this protective paper is so satisfying. Check out these thin bezels on the Liquid Retina XDR display. The aluminum body feels incredibly premium. And these ports, this keyboard, that trackpad, everything screams professional grade. With 24-hour battery life and 6x faster AI performance than the M1. This isn't just an upgrade. Starting at $1,599, the MacBook Pro 5 is Apple's most advanced laptop yet. This is the future of professional computing.